what we suggest is to have either water, plain or carbonated water with no calories, or coffee or black tea. But you want to try to consume it without any added sugar, cream, milk, and that sort of thing. Before you freak out and say, that's because a lot of people go, I'm going to stop you right there. Like, if I can't have my coffee with cream and sugar in the morning, then I'm done, or they'll say, if I can't have my coffee with cream, I'm done.
I'm doing that right now with creamer. I went from Starbucks to, I make it at home and I used an almond creamer, but it still had sugar in it. And so I bought my last creamer and I was like, I'm not buying any more creamer. So each day I put a little bit less creamer, and a little bit less creamer. So eventually I'll be able to drink my coffee black. It's just a matter of getting your body accustomed to it, because you don't need it. Your taste buds will change and they will adapt to it. You only think you need it. So you just have to change your body's mindset, because you really can drink it without it. It's just a matter of, you're telling yourself a lie saying I can only drink tea if it's sweet, or I can only drink coffee that has creamer in it. But you can work yourself through that. All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.